Well, Caliber's Shooting is hoping humor will inspire more people to sign up for firearms training. In a new series called Granny Grab Your Gun, martial arts comedian Master Ken shows you the trouble you could trigger if you don't know what you're doing.
I won't shoot.
If you're going to have a gun in the house, you should probably take firearms safety courses at Caliber's in Albuquerque.
The video also shows you how to use how to fight off an attacker with a tutorial of how to use anything from kitchen utensils to household pets.